Guess what, everyone? Guess. Can you drop a guess in the comment section down below? I'm feeling contractions here and there. Our baby is finally here. Alhamdulillah. I'm happy with you. Alhamdulillah. Our baby is finally here. Alhamdulillah. I'm so excited to share with you that a little blessing, a bundle of joy is finally here after months of sharing my pregnancy journey with you, even though we are not done with our pregnancy and delivery series. But we are taking a pause just for a moment. Guys, you know what it is? It is Ramadan season. Ramadan Mubarak to everyone around the world. Guys, I have a big plan this Ramadan. There are a lot of content I would want to share with you, and I would want us to go on this journey together, from fasting as a postpartum mom to losing weight naturally and sharing my Ramadan experiences with you. Let's just say it's going to be a beautiful journey altogether. So let's go on this ride together, inshallah. So guys, you just stick around, okay? Alhamdulillah, I'm super grateful to be sharing this journey. Alhamdulillah, I gave birth to my little girl few months back. I'm now at the hospital. Can you hear me better? I've been admitted, currently to certified dilated. After my third that later at night, I'm going to get my car happening if I don't progress. But hopefully, inshallah, I hope that I'll progress. And it's been a roller coaster of emotion. From the snuggle to the sleepless night, the little cries, subhanallah. It's been a journey. Every moment has been special, and to everyone that has been following this journey, I want to say a big thank you to you all. You all are the real MVP. Thank you for following the pregnancy series. I appreciate all your support, and I'm very grateful for you. See guys, there is a lot to share with you when it comes to delivery. But I still have a backlog of videos to shoot to you. The reason why I took my time is I was using this period to also recover and find my rhythm with baby, considering that I also have 2 boys already. So it's been an adjustment for everyone. So I apologize. It's been a real adjustment for everyone. But I did miss a couple of Ramadan last year, and I've not been able to pay that back. Inshallah, we'll do that. Share with me in the comment section if there are women that are in these shoes as well. If you missed Ramadan last year due to pregnancy or postpartum, and this year you are also missing Ramadan, or you are trying to make up for it just like myself, I really want to see how far I can go this time around. Yeah, but we'll talk about all that in a second. I just want to keep saying thank you. Alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah. Now that Ramadan is here, I know many of us are trying to balance motherhood with fasting and our spirituality. This will be my first time. Is it my first time? This will be my first time fasting as a new mom. I've had my children, at least I would have gone some months postpartum, a good 6 months postpartum, but this is the first time that I'm fasting as a new mom. And honestly, I have mixed emotion, but inshallah, I'll be sharing with you some of my daily experiences as a new mom. I'll be sharing with you suhoor and iftar ideas that are great for postpartum moms. I'll also be sharing with you my weight loss updates, as I'll be using this period to also snap back. And I'm not the only one. I want to believe I'm not the only one that is using this period to also snap back. Not snap, but one of my biggest goals this Ramadan, apart from my spiritual goal, also lose my postpartum weight naturally. And if you all know, fasting is a great way to reset our bodies, and I'll be sharing with you some of the things I get up to, what I'm eating, what I'm doing to stay active, and things that are actually working for me. Ramadan is going to be so special, guys. Allah blessed me with a girl. Baby is an answered prayer. So this year's Ramadan is going to be special, and I want to share with you every step of the journey. If you're excited to join me on this new journey, don't forget to hit the like button, click on the subscribe button, and turn on your notification bell. The bell, that tiny bell right beside the subscribe button, so you don't miss any of my Ramadan updates. Allah bless us all during this Ramadan and make it easy for us. Ameen. Somebody type Ameen in the comment section. Are you typing Ameen? Type Ameen in the comment section down below. Before you go, tell me in the comment section, what's one thing you'll be doing differently during this Ramadan? Share with me in the comment section. If you're also on a postpartum weight loss, drop a comment for me, and let's be each other's accountability partner. Okay? let's carry each other along. I know before this I'm supposed to share the full birth story, but let me know in the comment section if you want to hear the full birth story. Let me know in the comment section down below, and be sure that right after we're done with our Ramadan videos, if you can hear the babbling, that's our little angel. Assalamu alaikum guys, I'll see you tomorrow.